Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. I'm going to make Rava Idli today. For that I have taken 1 cup of rava, 1 cup curd. I mixed it and kept it for 1 hour. Salt, curry leaves, green chilli paste, coriander leaves chopped. You can add ginger also. Chopped green chilli. I have taken green chilli paste here. Now we have to, ghee is too hot. I'll just remove it from the stove. We have to fry the cashews. Fry the cashews. I have added in the batter. Now we will put mustard seeds, urad dal, chana dal. When it is flutter, we'll add hing powder and cumin seeds in it. This is done. We'll switch off the gas. I'm adding this also in the batter. Now to bring the idli batter consistency, we have to add water. I'm adding quarter cup of water. We'll mix and see. Quarter teaspoon soda, or you can add eno also. Little bit water on that. We'll mix this well. Idli batter consistency. I have kept the idli mold ready here. It is hot. Now we'll pour the batter onto this mold. Cover and cook for 10 minutes. Variations can be made in this idli by adding grated carrot, green peas, or vegetables of your choice. You can also add crushed black pepper and grated coconut. It's your wish. The idli is cooked nicely. We have to demold this now. Wait for 5 minutes. Just invert it. This has come out very clean. The Rava Idli is ready to serve here. You can serve it along with potato masala, sambar, chutney. I have prepared chutney today. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye-bye.